What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of products from New York-based small batch beard company called Beard Brothers. Yeah, check out Beard Brothers down below. Use non-affiliate code TheTruth15 to save 15% on all Beard Brothers products. Check out my previous content with Beard Brothers, live streams, and an unboxing and review. So as you can see, I've got the products behind me. Also B-roll as well. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below what you think about Beard Brothers. Leave a like as well. Alright, let's discuss the topics I'm going to cover in this video. Alrighty, so in this video I'll be discussing company info, ingredients for the oil and the butter, the scents that I ordered, discussing my initial thoughts on these scents after using them all at least once, and then discuss my thoughts on the scents, and then final conclusion. Alrighty, so I've got the beard oil in the emu blend, and this is emu oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, castor oil, vitamin E, fragrances for fragrance oils for scent. And then in the beard butter, it's shea butter, the conditioner, which is BTMS 25, sweet almond oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. Next, let's talk about the scents that I got. Alrighty, so starting off with Omerta, which is a collab with JR Bearded, and it's oud, dark musk, light musk, rum, amaretto, powder, balsam, whiskey, and tonka bean. This is the first one that I tried in beard, and I remember getting more of like kind of a dark barbershop sort of scent. I feel like that with the dark musk and the oud, probably the whiskey, maybe the balsam to kind of contribute to the darkness, and then the powder and the light musk and amaretto, I guess maybe would be the lighter scent that I'm smelling. But yeah, awesome scent. I think the scent duration for Omerta was 10 to 12 hours the first time I used it. Definitely a long-lasting scent, which is typical for darker scents. And then next is Tropizilla, which is peppermint, teakwood, honeydew, spearmint, orange, vanilla, and black pepper. This one's definitely a sweeter, kind of minty scent. You definitely get the peppermint and the spearmint up front, and then kind of everything else kind of smooths it out in the background. The remix is a kind of sweeter, smooth scent, and that's oud, sweet tobacco, amber, warm vanilla, and tonka bean. Yeah, 36 chambers is banana cream, sweet peach, blue musk, tobacco, dark amber, and apricot. And then Miami Vice is refreshing grapefruit, pear, blue musk, amber, apple, aged rum, vanilla, orange burst, and pineapple. And then other bright and zesty notes. And I think Miami Vice was the shortest lasting scent, probably 5 or 6 hours, I would say, which is typical of more citrusy type scents. 36 Chambers was also a long lasting scent, and so was the remix. Tropizilla I think lasted a bit longer than Miami Vice. They were pretty similar, which is typical. Nothing against Beard Brothers. It's just kind of common for sweeter scents versus darker scents. Yeah, let's talk about this unboxing. So as you're seeing, this order was packed up in a 1.5 pound box. Everything showed up safely, which is always nice to see. I ordered 5 1-ounce beard oils in Beard Brothers new emu blend and 1 2-ounce unscented beard butter. And Johnny also included an extra butter in the Miami Vice scent, as well as the new beard filler pen with my order. So that was pretty cool, especially the Miami Vice beard butter. I've used that. Definitely enjoying the improved formula. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alright, so yeah, all great scents. I've enjoyed using all of these. The feel in beard is really solid so far. I'm going to keep testing them. Yeah, definitely digging them so far. I definitely recommend these products. All these scents are great. Johnny's got tons of other great stuff. Check out my previous Beard Brothers review on the standard blend that I did last August, I believe it was, or late July. I'll have that linked at the end of this video and in the description down below. Yeah, if you haven't already, like I said, go check out my other Beard Brothers content, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, comment down below if you tried Beard Brothers and what you thought, especially with the emu blend. Let me know if you tried that and what your thoughts on it were. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.